Hi, Katya here, and today we're going to do some baking, but really easy kind of baking that you can do really quickly and easily with the ingredients you have on hand. Let's make a swirled jam cake. We're going to start with the one melted stick of butter. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar and 2 eggs. Now we're going to whisk it all together. Now to this nice mixture, I'm going to add 1 whole cup of sour cream, and all of my ingredients are room temperature, and a little splash of Chambord liqueur. This is a raspberry flavored liqueur. And I'm going to mix it again. What I love about this recipe is how versatile it is. So I used Chambord in here, but really you can use any kind of flavored liqueur that you like. Now I'm going to put this bowl aside, and I'm going to mix my dry ingredients now. I need 1.5 cups of flour, just all-purpose flour is fine, a little bit of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it all together. And now my dry ingredients are gonna go into the wet ingredients, and I'm gonna mix them all together. This is easiest to do with a rubber spatula. Just little by little, get them nicely combined. Okay, my batter is nice and smooth with no lumps. So I'm going to set it aside and prepare my baking dish. I have my buttered baking dish here. And to just make sure the cake doesn't stick, I'm going to line it with some parchment paper too, just as a little precaution. And we have some nice overhang here, so it's nice to lift it out when it's baked. And one last thing, the best thing. I'm going to use about 1/3 of a cup of strawberry jam, but really you can use any kind of jam you like, just like with the liqueur. To that jam, I'm going to add a splash of Chambord again and mix it all together. Okay, we're ready to assemble our cake. Here's my baking dish. I'm gonna place my batter right in there and smooth it out. Okay, now we're going to dollop all this jam around my cake. Just little blobs all around. The aromas here are unbelievable. And now I'm going to grab a wooden skewer, and what we'll do, we're just going to draw figure eights all around in order for this jam to seep into the cake. By the way, this is a great form of meditation. This feels very calming. Now this cake is going to go in a 350-degree oven until it's golden and nicely puffed. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, our swirl jam cake is looking perfect. Little powdered sugar on top. Smells and looks amazing. It's so delicious. I promise. Give it a try.